Okay, you guys, I just wanted to take a quick second to let you guys know that today's video is sponsored by none other than ya girl. I have hoodies available. If you want to check them out, I will leave the link in the description box below and also via my link tree in my Facebook and Instagram bios. If you want to help support your girl and her channel, then make sure you go check those out. I will also leave a link to my reveal video in the description box below in case you want to learn more about them. I'm back! Hey y'all, it's your girl Danielle. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below and click that bell icon so your notifications are set to on so you get notified when I upload new videos. If you've been here before and you've seen 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all of my videos, why don't you go ahead and subscribe already? We could be best friends. We really could. I'm cool as hell. Like, just go ahead and hit that subscribe button. So let's go ahead and get into what you guys are here for today. Today we're going to be doing a hot Cheeto haul. Now if you love hot Cheetos like me, I mean you might want to go snag yourself some of these, like you might have to. And yes, hello, do you like my sequin hat? I'm loving it. It's Christmas time. We got the music playing in the background. I'm really liking it. I got my cute little pajamas on. Isn't it so cute? It matches. But that's not what you're here for. Okay. So I'm going to show you guys the items first and then I'm going to do a little try on for you. So a lot of the stuff I didn't really like or was sold out. So I got 4 pieces. I got a set of bottoms. They're like biker shorts, and then some cute little tube socks and 2 different shirts. So you can mix and match it up. All right, so the first thing I'm going to show you are these cute biker shorts, okay? So, here they are. Oh my god, tell me those are not cute. And they come with rhinestones. Like, these are all studded rhinestones. And I love the little tag on these. It's so cute. It's like a little Cheeto bag. However, I would have been more impressed if there were some Cheetos in here so I could eat it. Maybe that's just me being a fat ass. So these are really cute. Okay, so I'll try these on for you guys in just a minute. I got them in a size small, and they retail for $19.99. And when I got this stuff, I do believe I got about 30% off of everything. So I got some cute little socks to go with them. It's got Chester Cheetah here, and then it also says Cheeto, so we'll kind of see what it looks like when I put it on. And then the first shirt that I got is this cute little black crop top, and then it's got Chester Cheetah right there. So that's it. It's just black, cute, simple. I like it. Okay. And then we got this cute little long sleeve crop top, and it says Flamin' Hot. And then, what's it say on the side? Oh, it's just got flames on the side. Okay, okay. And then it says Chester Cheetah on the back. I like it, I like it. Okay, so everything I got in a size small. The black shirt I got in a size small. And this black shirt retails for $14.99. And this one I also got in a size small, and this one retails for $19.99. So $19.99. The other shirt was $14.99. The biker shorts were $19.99, and the socks were $4.90. So that's pretty good. I like that. All right. So now that you've seen the items, let's go ahead and try them on. Okay. 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 Okay, so I do like this. I like both pieces, but I would not wear this together. This top's really cute. It's definitely my vibe. I like the loose top. These, I feel like, oh, whoa. These, I feel like they're a little high for me. I might like them a little bit lower. I could roll them down if I wanted to, I guess, but that's not the point. I shouldn't have to roll them down. Yeah. They're a little high for me. Let's see if we can work it out. We can work it out. But these are really cute. I really like these. I would definitely... Oh, you didn't even get to see the socks! So the socks are really cute. Let's see if I can bring them up. Okay. Huh. So they've got Chester Cheetah right here, and then they say Cheetos down the side. Like, those are really cute. Huh. Come on, legs. I don't know how I got my feet in the last video. Like, I legit tried to set the camera up like I did for my last Fashion Nova haul, and I don't know what's happening. Like, I could not get my whole body in the in frame. I don't know, but I'm showing you the socks, okay? I'm showing you the socks. So, look at this one again. Oh, I just wish you could see, like, oh, here, what if we do this? Hey, okay. From far away, it looks cute. So really like this, so let's try it on with the black shirt. Okay. So again, I really like this, but I would not wear these together. Like, I would not wear any of these pieces together, but I think they're really cute. It's just a plain black tee. It's a little itchy. Oh, that's kind of itchy. Sorry, no bra club. You gotta wear a bra with this shirt because this thing's itchy. But really super cute. I really like it. I really like everything, but I just, again, wouldn't wear these clothes together. So let's try on some different bottoms and see what they look like. See, look at how cute that is. Or you could even wear this with jeans. Yes, see, I love this just little plain, comfortable, relaxed top. Like, I'm not trying too hard top. This is really cute. Okay, let's look at the other one. See, this is cute with white. I feel like you could wear this with black or with jeans too. I just didn't like it meshing with those red rhinestones. It did not go with those red rhinestones whatsoever. But look at how cute! I love it! Okay. 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 We like. Yes. Thumbs up. Hit that thumbs up if we like. Dun, dun. Back in my comfy Christmas wear. I love this with my little, you know, slippers. I don't know. I had a delay there. I don't know what happened. This outfit's super cute too. I don't know where this tank top came from. Probably like Walmart or something, honestly. And then these are just Victoria's Secret pajama bottoms. So yeah. So I think we're gonna go ahead and conclude this video, guys, because that's really it. Comment below and tell me what you thought about the pieces. I really like them, again, by themselves. I don't think I'd wear any of those together, but they were really, really cute on their own. The socks, adorable. You can wear those with like anything. So yeah, comment below, tell me what you think. I do my Black Friday and my Cyber Monday shopping online. I do not get out in any of this craziness, so that stuff will be here soon and I'll be able to film it for you guys then. So until next time, I'll see you guys later. I love you. Peace.